Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, I'm excited. First of all, I want to thank you guys for the support on the new channel. I appreciate it. All right. Now, today we got a watch face to check out. Now, it's hump day. There's nothing wrong with getting ready for the weekend a little early. And this developer always gets down on some watch faces, right? Now, the name of this one is called CW-1224 hours. I spent $1 in the Gear Manager store for this one. I think it's worth it. But at the end of the video, you let me know if it's worth the download or not. Now, let's take a look at this watch face in always on mode. Pretty much you're going to get the same look, the same design, which isn't bad at all. Now, once the watch face is on, if you're thinking about going out and you're going to be hitting the town, I think you can get away with this one, right? And also it has some customization to it that we're going to check out in a minute. But right now, if you look at the watch, it is an analog watch / digital, which means you get the best of both worlds. You're going to get your step info at the top, along with your battery info. You're going to come down to the right. It's going to give you your traditional date, where normally a Timex would have that at. I do like that look. And then you'll come down in this window at the bottom, you'll see your digital time. So I like the look. I do like the design theme that's in the background of this watch face. And considering that it's black, it's going to help you out with battery efficiency as well. Now, looking at the hands are very stylish. They're very premium. You got a nice second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch. That's red with a nice silver tip to it, which really just brings out this watch face. I love it. Now, you do have some interactiveness with this watch face. If you look around the bezel of the watch, you're going to get your power information, of course, your S health, your stopwatch, timer, altimeter. You got everything that you could possibly need within this watch face for an elegant and or for a super casual look. But let's go ahead, let's tap into this just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for. Single tap on any of these and you're in. Now, the rest of them are not interactive at all, but it does give you exactly what you need at a glance with no problem. Now, if I single tap anywhere on the watch face, I can change the theme of the watch face depending on how I'm feeling, what look I'm going for throughout the day. And you get like 4 of them in all, right? Not bad. You choose one. I like this one the best. I think it's a nice look for an elegant watch face. And with that, that's going to be it for the video. So what do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And let me know if it's a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.